tandaan niyo po yung word ko, this will be your retirement. Malaki po ang chance na maaga kang mag-retire because ang diamond is giving a 6-digit income. Coach Maki, baka naman napakahirap mag-rank up or ma-meet yung diamond. Meron po dito nag-rank up to become a diamond 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Ang latest po na nag-diamond dito is 22 years old, nakuha niya in 10 months. In total, all over the world, meron na po tayong 86 diamond. Sa Pilipinas, hindi ko naman not mistaken, nasa 16 to 18 Pilipino na po ang nag-rank up and to become a diamond. Yung latest nga po natin, yung 22 years old. Ano pa yung pwede natin pagkakitaan kay Libo? The customer acquisition bonuses, retail commission, and influencer bonuses. Now, let's move on. Now, ano ba ang subscription? Paano ba kumikita sa subscription? May mga company na pong existing, no, na katulad ng mga SNR, Landers. Bago mo ma-enjoy ang privilege and discount ng mga produkto nila, you need to become a member. Naglabas ka ng pera, nagbayad ka ng member, pero wala kang produkto nakuha. But yet, kapalit ng binayad mo, ma-enjoy mo yung mga product and privilege. Ano bang mga good example na sa Pilipinas naman? SM Advantage, Pure Gold. Nagpa-member ka to become part of their club membership, nagbayad ka ng 200 o 250, yet wala kang nakuhang produkto. Ang makukuha mo lang, privilege and discount into 1 year. Like Gold's Gym and Fitness, may enjoy mo yung facilities nila, Amazon and Amazon Prime. Imagine niyo po kay Amazon Prime, you will pay $15 a month. Bumili ka o hindi, magbabayad ka ng $15. Si Netflix, na-enjoy mo yung services and entertainment. Si Costco, no, imagine mo, si Costco merong 59 million household, 107 million cardholders. Tingnan niyo po yung kanyang worldwide renewal rate. Ang taas, 88%. So as I heard, nung nilocate ko yung Costco, marami po talagang product dito na napakamura. But imagine niyo, if Netflix gained 32 billion in annual revenue last 2022 at ang Costco kumita ng 3.5 million in membership fee na wala pang lumalabas pang produkto, imagine niyo po ito. Ito ang kitaan. Ito yung kinita ng may-ari nung Costco and Netflix. Ilan ang kumita? Ilang tao lang. But the good news is this. Though this company offer amazing products and services, they don't have what Live Good has. Ano yun? A subscription that pay. Tama po, narinig nyo. If SNR and Landers is a club membership, Live Good is also a club membership. If PLDT, Converge, Globe, Netflix, Zoom is a subscription business, Live Good is also a subscription. Ang pinagkaiba po nila, you enjoy services, privileges sa mga nabanggit ko, but kay Live Good, you will also enjoy na kumita. Now, para kumita kay Live Good at ma-enjoy mo ang privilege and mga discount sa mga offer ni Live Good, you need to become a member. One-time payment po ng $40 plus $9.95 na monthly subscription. Huwag mo nang mandilim ang paningin mo sa $9.95 a monthly subscription. Tama? Later on, we explain ko sa'yo. Or, pwede kang mag 1-year membership. That's $139.95. Discounted ka ng $25. Instead na $120 in 1 year, $99.95 na lang plus the $40 na one-time payment. Okay, you will enjoy up to 75% off or discount sa lahat ng produkto na Live Good. Plus, you will have a duplicated website na kung saan nandito yung corporate site, all about the company, retail site, para kang may drop shipping or e-commerce na kung saan isesend mo lang yung link sa prospect mo na gustong bumili ng product, doon na sila magbabayad, doon nila lalagay information, marireceive ni Live Good, i-deliver ni Live Good sa door-to-door, marireceive mo yung income mo sa dashboard mo. Then, if ever you want to build your club, no? Magkaroon ka ng maraming affiliate under you, then ito yung bibigay mong link para mag-subscribe or pumasok sila sa club mo. Now, there's two kind of product. Baka tanongin mo, wala akong makukuha ang physical ng product ng Live Good. Dalawang klase na po ang product. We have the tangible and intangible product. Yung tangible product, once na nagbayad ka, ng membership mo, may makukuha kang produkto just like sa mga traditional networking. Pero in LiveGood, ang nakuha mo, intangible product. Kasi very flexible, yung ating duplicated website, halos nang kailangan mo, nandito na. Now, nagbabayad ka ba ng SSS? Imagine mo, SSS mo, may enjoy mo after 60 years old. If ever magkaroon ka ng illness or accident, tsaka mo lang mai enjoy si SSS. Sa ayaw mo sa hindi, magbabayad ka ng monthly kasi kinakaltas sa sweldo mo. Tama? Insurance, kung may insurance ka, you need to pay at least 5 years to 15 years. Pero kung hindi mo na bayaran, in the middle of the contract nyo, hindi mo na bayaran, mababaliwala. Meralco, kung mapuputulan ka, hindi ka nagbayad ng monthly bill mo, mapuputulan ka, pati sa tubig at internet. Now, ang good news kay LiveGood, pwede kang kumita nang hindi ka bumibili ng product, nang hindi ka nagbebenta ng product, and even without enrolling a single person. Because lahat po ng sasali kay LiveGood are entitled to have the matrix commission. If unrank ka, you are entitled to $0.25 with a maximum income of $2,047. If you want to, kung gusto mo ng mas malaking income at mas bilis, pwede kang mag-rank up to become bronze or silver. Pwede kang kumita ng $4,095, or pag gold or platinum ka na, $8,191, at kung diamond ka na, you are entitled to earn as much $16,383. Now, pag-usapan natin, pwede ba akong kumita even without enrolling a single person? Yes, for example, ito yung sponsor, apply mo. Yung sponsor, yung upline mo, ikaw yung unang na-invite, no? Ikaw yung unang sumali. Isipin mo na lang na ikaw ito, no? Since yung upline mo, yung sponsor mo, napakasipag. Sabihin na lang natin, nag-builder talaga siya. Nagkaroon siya ng panibagong 4 na direct na ikaw, wala pa, accidentally nalagay ito sa ilalim mo. Kasi ang system or si LiveGood ang naglalagay ng spillover. Hindi mo kakilala, hindi mo sa friend sa Facebook, what if si Coach Maki ang nalagay sa ilalim mo? Tama. Si Coach Maki, may builder, maraming prospect, nagkaroon siya ng mga member sa ilalim na nagbabayad ng monthly subscription every month. What if nakabuild si Coach Maki ng 100 members and or affiliate? Good thing kumita si Coach Maki ng $25 kasi 100 multiplied by 0.25 kikita ng $25 which is 1,450. Since ikaw ang pinag-uusapan, kaibigan, ikaw ito. Tama? Ikaw, hindi mo kakilala si Coach Maki, hindi mo friend sa Facebook, but yet nilagay ni LiveGood sa ilalim mo dahil may masipag kang sponsor. Good thing yung sponsor mo na spill over sa inyo si Maki, kung meron siyang 100 members na kinita niya ng $25, good news, ikaw ay kumita ng $25.25 sa pamamagitan ng spillover. Basta binabayaran mo consistently yung iyong monthly subscription. So kung mag-build si Coach Maki, madagdagan, syempre hindi naman titigil yan, nagkaroon ng 1,000 member, you are entitled to earn $250. That will be $14,500. Pwede na ba pang grocery? Even without enrolling a single person, maaaring tinatry mong mag-share ng opportunity pero wala pa sumasali. Ganun kasipag yung sponsor mo, kaya nagkaroon ka ng spillover. Right now, you're earning as much as $250. Siguro pag kumita ka na to, para masigurado mo na yung slot mo ay hindi mo wala, bayaran mo na yung 1-year subscription. Kasi kung makakalimutan mong bayaran yung monthly subscription mo, may chance na maputol yung income mo. Tama? Ibig sabihin, pag di mo binayaran yung slot mo, your monthly subscription, may chance ka na mawalan ng income at ikaw ay mapunta sa ilalim. Tama? So, if ever you giving a chance na kumita na, bayaran mo na yung 1-year subscription mo. Pero kung tatanungin kita, nung gusto mong kita, malaki, maliit, mabilis, mabagal, syempre mabilis at malaki. So, kindly share this business at least in 2 to 5 person na kakilala mo na hindi ka matatanggihan. Ano ba gusto mo? Ikaw ang ini-invite o ikaw ang nai-invite? Di ba mas magandang ikaw ang mag-share na opportunity sa mga taong kakilala mo? Kasi if ever meron kang 10 na sponsored at lahat sila may kanya-kanyang matrix, if ever they gain or income na $100 each, meron kang 50%. Ibig sabihin, you will be having a passive income na $500 even without enrolling na sa mga darating na panahon. And yet, you have a chance to earn pagka nagra-rank up ka. Tama? Now, if you want to rank up kay Livegood kasi the higher the rank, the bigger the income. Katulad ng sinabi ko, kung may sasali sa'yo, you will gain $25. Imagine mo parang business partner mo si Livegood. Si Livegood kikita ng 50%, ikaw kikita ng 50%. Ikaw, solid income mo yung 50%, pero si Livegood marami pang babayaran. How generous yung company. Tama? And this is unlimited. If meron kang 10 tao, you will earn $250. But I suggest, once you join Livegood, mas maganda i-maximize mo na yung income. Instead na ibang tao ang ilagay mo sa left and right mo kasi ang rank up kay bronze, you just need to direct. Ilagay mo na yung immediate family mo, kapatid mo, nanay mo, asawa mo, anak mo. If ever magjo-join sa ibang tao, since ikaw ay kumita ng $25 each in your immediate family, so kumita ka ng total of $50. Now, yung dalawang direct mo, instead na i-direct mo dun sa immediate family mo to maximize yung income. Bakit? Kasi yung immediate family mo will earn $25 katulad ng nangyari sa'yo, pero ikaw, kikita ka ng $5 each dun sa nilagay mo sa ilalim. So instead na dinarect mo, kikita kang $25, total income mo is $30 sa bawat na ilagay mo bago mong direct dun sa kayong immediate family. Now, to rank up and become a silver, may tatlong ways ka to achieve. But I suggest, eto gawin mo. Create a tatlong bronze with total of 20 members, you are entitled to earn up to 4th level of income. Now, if we want to become gold, yung tatlong bronze, tulungan natin to rank up to become silver, you, with a total of 100 members, pwede ka na maging gold at you have a chance to earn up to 6th level. Now, kung gusto mo mag-platinum, yung tatlong silver, tulungan natin mag-rank up with a total 500 member, you have a chance to earn up to 8th level of income. Huwag mo nang magdilim ang paningin mo doon sa number of people kasi sigurado ako na yun ay dadami because meron tayong system. No? Ano yan, sasabay yan sa rank up. Now, sabi ko kanina, diamond is a retirement. Yung tatlong gold, tulungan natin to rank up to become a platinum, you are entitled up to 10th level of income. Now, sabi ko kanina, diamond kasi is a retirement. Bakit? Bukod sa 10th level income na ibibigay sa'yo, sa bawat tao papasok dun sa matrix mo, at the same time in your weekly fast start, you have a chance to earn. Or if you become a diamond, meron kang 2% split. Yung 2% po gives you at least 3,000 to 5,000 monthly once you maintain your diamond rank. Imagine niyo po, yung 2% inahati ito sa lahat ng diamond. Again, meron pa lang kung 86 diamond total all over the world. Imagine mo, kinukuha ni Livegood to sa lahat ng nagme-member at sa lahat ng product sale. Imagine mo, Rex Campana is earning dito sa Diamond Pool na kahit hindi pa siya nakakabili ng product, pero binibigyan siya ng profit or profit sharing. Sa traditional networking, they give this every year, pero kay Livegood, every month binibigay. Okay? Yun, hanggang doon lang muna po tayo. Question. Yan, overtime na ako. Question, coaches. Walang question? Paul?
Now it's my